Hey guys, and welcome back to Living with Charnelle. I am excited to share a new recipe with you today. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to cook and make great recipes, you are at the right place. Start by clicking the subscribe button to show your support and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with upcoming videos. If you like this type of content, please don't forget to give it a thumb up. I upload new videos Wednesdays and Saturdays. For this recipe, you will need fish of choice. I have 4 fish here with no head. You can buy the one with head. I didn't want any head this time. Cut bell peppers. These were fresh, but I cut it and I froze them. Tomatoes, onion, plantain. The plantain needs to be ripe. Garlic, cooking oil, the famous Attieke. This is the brand I'm using. And then some spices: basil, oregano, parsley, cilantro, white pepper, black pepper, and salt. Now I know that some people use also cucumbers. I didn't buy any cucumber and it's fine. You can put as many vegetables as you would like, but I'm gonna make it simple. I'm not gonna put too much. I usually like kind of like green beans in mine, as well as carrots, but I'm not going to do that this time. Don't forget your hot pepper if you eat hot pepper.